y'all, it's your girl Taisha Brown here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thanks for landing on this channel. If it's not, thanks for coming on back to get some tips from me. Yo, I'm going to share with you how to check in on MSC Cruises mobile app. Going on a cruise, y'all. Hey, first time on MSC. So I will be vlogging and taking you along with me, as well as doing a tour of the ship, my room, the activities, the whole 9 yards. So be prepared for that. I'm leaving this weekend. Yes, Ian out there. I saw him, I peeped him, but guess what? He won't stay out there because I'm still rolling. Let's get into this video. So here we go. We are at the MSC For Me app. I went to my app store to download it. Now I'm signing in with my Apple ID. And it's to go. Whoa ho ho for me, right? Opening it up. Isn't that pretty? It wants me to log in with my booking number. I can do that for you. Entered all my information, and now it's saying swipe to discover the MSC For Me app features. I think I can do that. Okay, discover and book your favorite activities. All right. Okay, find out all about the ship services. I can do that. Check in online and register my credit card in advance. Definitely going to do that. And I want to see where I'm going because sometimes I forget. And I'm definitely gonna get ready for embarkation. I want to allow those notifications. Going to go ahead and get checked in with me and my cruise buddy. Got ourselves, okay, it's gonna ask for your information. You know, you're gonna review that information there. And also it says enter with preference. Gonna do that, and then hey, my check-in is all complete. And it says there's one more step for a smoother embarkation process. Well, I gotta take my photo, of course. Pose for the camera. Okay. Yay. Check-in is complete. Just gotta enter that credit card code. And that's what I'm going to do here. And it's going to be joined together with my partner who's in my cruise cabin, which is my husband. And it's just giving me a little prompt there saying I can't remove it or edit the card details from the app settings, but I would have to go to guest services for help if I needed to change anything with this card. And put your number in there. Their app is a little bit weird to me. It is I don't know why that's in Spanish when I selected English, so it's a little wonky. But anywho, everything went well, and I was able to email over my e-ticket to myself. It had my luggage tags in it and everything that I need to board. Okay, I need internet. Let me go ahead and get the internet, but I want to just get one device for browse and stream. And I'm going to select my husband to do that, right? And then we proceeded to check out. And then we got it. So voila, it was a very easy process. I just cannot wait to go on this cruise in a few days. My thoughts and prayers are with everyone who is in the path of Hurricane Ian, myself included. I live in Central Florida and I have friends and family here as well. So just doing my hurricane prep, batting everything down and preparing for the worst, but hoping for the best, right? So I'm just looking at these beautiful, beautiful pictures here because I cannot wait to get on this cruise. It is overdue for me and my spouse to have a little bit of us time. We call them marriage maintenance trips, and who wouldn't want to have a marriage maintenance trip aboard the MSC Seaside, and then in these beautiful tropical destinations and historic destinations that we're going to. So I hope that this helped you a bit. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.